Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Gershon here. This week is a review of the sounds that we have heard over the course of this unit so far. All of these sounds are R-influenced vowels, meaning you're really going to hear the R be powerful in all the words that we look at this week. Taking a look at our headings here, you'll see that we have the schwa plus R. This is really the ER sound, being the sound technically UR. Now it's not spelled with an ER, it's not necessarily spelled with the UR. This week you're going to have to hear say all the words in order to hear the sounds, and they might go under different categories depending on the sound that the vowel and the R makes together. We also have OR, we have R, we also had IR in this unit, and we also have the air sound. There will be an oddball this week, or two, so we'll have to keep our eye out for those. But we're going to go ahead and look through our words at this point. I'll read through them all. Again, the words are not necessarily spelled with these headers, but they make this sound, or they make those sounds. So you're really going to have to read the word out loud, say it, and then lay it down under the correct heading. So our first word here in the first column is bird, jar, deer, for, yarn, corn, fork. Then I have thorn, tire, horn, chair, pliers, horse, heart. Then I have shirt, fire, worm, first, pear, and hair. So looking at our words here, I think the only oddball we really have here is deer. You have the R controlled, but you have an EER, and it doesn't really fit under any of the sounds from up above. So you're going to be looking at that this week. The rest of them I'm not really going to give you much help with. You really have to say it out loud so in order for you to hear what sound it's making. Is it making the or R, IR, or air sound? Happy sorting. Raise your hand when you're all set, and I will come around and hand out your sort to you. If you have any questions, please let me know.